Hi everyone, welcome to my digital literacy video, which is going to be kind of ridiculous, but I chose this just because I saw one person on my Facebook post this as if it was real the other day, and I just thought it was so ridiculous. And I mean, this website reminds me of The Onion, but we'll disprove the source in just a moment. So I was thinking, as a language arts, future language arts teacher, that we would do some background history on the Diary of Anne Frank and World War II. And this might be something that comes up. I've heard the theory before that Adolf Hitler wasn't actually killed, and I've seen that in more credible news sites, but this is something that's just ridiculous, that students might believe. Well, let's look at the top. So worldnewsdailyreport.com. So, I mean, it sounds like it's coming from a world news source and whatever, but let's look at it more. So the title of it is Argentina. 128-year-old man claims he is Adolf Hitler. Well, people don't really live until they're 128, so that's pretty ridiculous. I mean, but look at the resemblance. So let's read more. Well, first thing I notice is there is absolutely no author, and this also scares me. 157,000 people have shared this on Facebook. Wow. So it's something that a student could see on their own social media. So there's no author, so that automatically makes me weary. And I'm looking at these really nice ads on the side from Ninja Journalists. Willie Nelson's wife isn't anything like you would expect, or even close. So, the facts presented right away are just ridiculous. An elderly man from Salta in Argentina claims that he's the infamous German dictator Adolf Hitler and that he spent the last 70 years in hiding. So it's also saying, so I've been blamed for a lot of crimes and I've never committed. Because of that, I have had to spend more than half of my life hiding from Jews, so I've had my punishment already. So all of this is just ridiculous. I mean, it's made out to be like a news article and everything. And, I mean, middle schoolers might believe it. And I'm looking at all the horrible stories on the side here that this news article has also wrote. But I am going to check, and there's not even a header for it. It's just ridiculous. So I'm gonna Google World News Daily Report and see what I can get on it. So, right away, World News Daily Report is a fake news website run by Canadians. So, it portrays hoax and rumors to prey on our readers, our middle school readers. So, I mean, there it is right there. What really just baffles me is the amount of stuff I see on Facebook of things of this nature that people take it as truth without even researching it. I mean, if adults are doing that, so are our students. So, teaching them credible news sites, I mean, even people in the newsroom, you've seen news articles where people have used the Onion story as truth, not realizing that the Onion is satire. So, I mean, grown adults do this all the time. So, it's really important to teach students what is real and what is fake. And yeah, well, here it is. I hope you got a kick out of it as much as I did.